Ever doubled a recipe or scaled a map? That's ratios in action, the secret link between numbers in the real world. For every 2 red beads, there are 3 blue beads. The ratio 2 to 3 tells you their relative amounts, not exact counts. A ratio can be written using a colon, as a fraction, or in word, by see 2 to 3. All represent the same comparison. A ratio like 2 to 3 is part to part. Together they make 5 parts of the whole, not 2/5 and 3/5. Simplify ratios by dividing all parts by their highest common factor. For example, 8 to 12 simplifies to 2 to 3. Always convert to the same unit before simplifying. 2 meters and 50 centimeters becomes 4 to 1 after converting both to centimeters. Multiply or divide all parts by the same number to create equivalent ratios. They describe the same relationship. Ratios can have 3 or more parts. For example, 2 to 3 to 5 totals, 10 parts in all. To divide a quantity in a ratio, first add the parts, then divide the total by that number to find the value of one part. For a total of 120 pounds shared in the ratio 2 to 3, there are 5 parts in total. One part is 24 pounds, so the shares are 48 and 72. Each part can be written as a fraction of the whole by dividing by the total number of parts. 2/5 and 3/5 add up to one whole. In probability, if outcomes are in the ratio A to B, the chance of the first outcome is A over a plus B. Scaling uses equivalent ratios. If the flour to sugar ratio is 3 to 2, and we have 9 cups of flour, 1 part equals 3 cups, so sugar needs 6 cups. Ratios appear in everyday situations. In cooking, chemical mixtures, maps, scale drawings, and splitting investments. Common mistakes with ratios include forgetting to simplify before working, mixing up units like meters and centimeters, or adding parts incorrectly when there are 3 or more terms. Ratios allow us to compare, scale, and divide quantities with precision. Simplify early, use the value of one part, and always check units. Practice ratio questions and quizzes on Reko Study to become fully confident in this key topic.